Welcome to Gbpcad's weekly recap for October week second week of October, and essentially we had this the price will continue up, right? May continue up if there's enough buy orders in this area of liquidity. I had a couple lows in between that I didn't include here, but we'll go over those. Otherwise, we need to break at this, and then we need to take out this low to continue down to our lows, right? Okay, so and then daily we need to break this area for further for actual continuation of buy. So we'll go over what happened. Didn't play out exactly, but the sells played out down to here, and then this area rejected. But we'll go over each day. Okay, so during the April 12th, price just consolidated. Price ranged. I didn't like this at all. This was messy price action. Plus, is in the middle of a level. We wanted to actively react to levels, right? For us to take trades, like here, this level here. So this is the level that I didn't include. Otherwise, and then on Tuesday, we actually got it set up for Gbpcad when price broke below this level and it broke out this consolidation, right? You see it broke out of the consolidation. We got several retests here, lower highs being formed, right? Continuation of lower highs, and then after this lower high was formed, price created a new low below this level. The level broke 10 a.m., 10:15, 11 a.m. We got a retest Eastern, so New York session, and the price played out down to here within 3 hours, 77 pips. So it's just level to level price action, right? And it was evident in the higher time frames too when price broke down. See, 30-minute created a retest. And why did I have this level? This level is from this area. It is a level that I've had for a long time. It's a very historical level. You can check that in previous videos. Here, we saw rejections here, like here as well, right? So price continued down, and essentially this was just a lower high, right? This was a lower high, lower than the previous high. So once this market structure broke, we knew that we were going to make a new low. Where would we have made it? Over here at this level that we have, right? These wicks over here, and that's exactly what happened. It was 77 pips down, and price came and reached that by end of the day, actually like 3 hours before the daily candle closes. So the very next day on Wednesday, price consolidated throughout Asian, right? It ranged above a level, and I've seen this happen several times. Price ranges above a level only for it to continue down. Remember, we have bearish pressure coming through. So what price did, it ranged, and then in pre-London, price broke below this level. And as soon as you broke below the level, you can see the retest. Price broke it, and then several candles retesting it, right? So it retested right there, closed below, and we'll go into the 5 minute to further look at the lower time frame price action. So right here, as you can see, broke below it, closed below it, created a lower high. Could have entered here, and then your target would have been this 4 hour level right here, right? So that would have been the target, and then we'll go over what happened at that level. I'm just gonna have the short position here. So entries right there. Target, let's say 50 pips, right? Stop loss right above 15 pips is safe on here. That was one of the trades, and the other one was up here, retest of here. I think that was 70 pips down to the next zone, right? 75, let's say. Right? So currently we're at 130 pips for the week, okay? And then what happened when price tapped this 4 hour level? This is the same day, October 14th, right? This is the same day as when price on GJ, the GBP news came out, right? But on here we came down to that 4 hour support, right? And then look what started happening. Lower time frames started reversing. So we were saying we knew that we would have to go past this level in order to continue further down, okay? But that's not what price did. So this is what I mean. Don't hold a bias. We can only analyze and prepare, and then we can execute on what's to come, right? So look, price was all the way since October 12th from that resistance, we were creating lower highs and lower lows, right? As soon as we tapped into a 4 hour level, strong level, we started creating higher lows and higher highs, right? So as you can see, market structure went from doing this to now reversing, right? And this is what I mean. When price approaches a level, we watch and see what it's gonna do, right? There were two levels to come before price reversed, but at any of these levels, price did not change structure. And we'll go over that. Look, first time we approached it, structure didn't change, price was still doing this, right? Next time we approached it, structure didn't change, price broke it and continued to do this. As soon as we came here, created a low, created a higher low, and then created another higher low, and price pushed up, right? So you see what I mean? There was a change in structure, there's a shift in market structure right there. And that gave us a perfect entry. So this is what I mean, just watch for reversal. This is a good reversal trade. The rest of those were continuation trades. This was a reversal one and could have entered, let's say you entered at this higher low, okay? You entered at this higher low, your stop loss, 15 pips right below, right? Entered here, your take profit, and this was instant, right, Mark? So this was the release of the Brexit news. UK saying that they're not going to walk away from those talks immediately, right? So perceived as optimism, and that happened as soon as a new 4-hour candle opened at 5 a.m. But you don't even have to know about this in order to be in buy positions from before, because as traders, we know that market structure is now shifting after we've tapped into a strong support. So it's showing us that there is a large push incoming. And where would our first target be? At we can target this level over here, 60 pips, and you could have left a runner, right? But I'm sure you would have closed up here because no way you were going to be able to execute a close order that fast. Okay, so 100 pips, 230 right now we're at. Rest of the week, you could have held a runner and could have ran up like 150. Rest of the week was super choppy after Wednesday. I'm not even going to go over that. This is just like pure garbage. Like we need a one-sided volatility. Like this move down, this move up, not this mess here, right? So we'll go over that. First two moves were continuation moves, right? Sells, retest, sells. Again, price consolidated, broke down, retest, sell. So this is a broken consolidation, and then price continued down, right? And you can see we saw a retest of this level. Once it broke down, continued retest of this level once it broke past it. And then once we reached this 4-hour level, last time price came here, pushed up. When we came back down here, we can see these massive wicks. These are liquidity, areas of liquidity, right? So it's a solid demand area. And then once price came down here, structure shifted, right? We can see structure shifting. Price was doing this, right? The entire couple of days, range dropped further down, and then now look, structure started doing this. Ooh, right? So we could have pinpointed entries right here, and it would have been amazing buys, right? But yeah, this is what I mean. Don't anticipate, because I was thinking this would happen once this level got taken out, but it didn't. This level didn't get taken out. For that level to get taken out, we would have to do something like this. Where is it? Sorry. Something like this would have to happen, right? Price have to go down and then retest on a higher time frame, but it didn't. Instead, what price did was show us that, oh, we're actually going to reject this area, that we're not going to keep continuing down after dropping 230 pips. We're not going to continue down. Actually, we're actually going to reverse because there's a lot of buyers down here. So retest, and that's what market structure shows us. Market structure showed us that price was about to reverse. So these are the little things that you need to know about the lower time frame, because they will tell you what's coming before it actually happens. Like, look, price bottomed out, right? And then price bottoms out, consolidates a little, pushes up, creates a high, breaks past this area, creates a higher low, right? And then consolidates again in this like box, and then finally broke up, created a new high, retest, and price pushed up. So see, these are the little things you need to know. That structure was shifting now. A reversal was coming from doing this. Now price is showing us that we are creating higher lows and higher highs, right? So that's Gbpcad, 230 pips for the week possible, and then the rest of the week, Thursday and Friday, was just choppy. Okay, so thanks for watching and enjoy your day.